Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share one interesting recipe which you guys can do it for your kids' birthday party or any party guys. So today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make Oreo biscuit pop at your home. So for this recipe what you need here is the Oreo biscuit and here some cream cheese. So we are going to use only these two ingredients guys, nothing else, and some stick. So let's start. So first I'm going to grind this Oreo biscuit in the blender as a smooth powder. Okay guys, here I took one packet of Oreo biscuit and I'm going to blend this one as a very smooth powder. Hey guys, here my Oreo biscuit powder is ready and I'm going to add this one in a big bowl. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to add this cream cheese into this along with the Oreo biscuit powder. If you don't have this type of cream cheese, you can add the cube cheese which is easily available in all the grocery shop, but today I'm using this one. So I'm going to add this cream cheese into this. Hey guys, here I'm going to add this cheese into this. So I'm using this spoon. Hey guys, here I added 3 tablespoons of cheese, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to use my hand, or if you want you can use the spoon also, but using the hand is the best way for making this dough. So we are going to make the dough of this cream cheese and this biscuit powder. So yeah. Okay guys, now it's time to make small balls of this, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to insert this toothpick. So can you see like this guys, so can you see, so instead of buying that stick form, you can use the toothpick which is easily available in all the houses. So this is very easy guys. So I'm going to make small balls of this. Hey guys, I put all the toothpaste into these small balls. What I'm going to do guys, I'm going to keep this one in the freezer for up to 1 hour. So we have to keep it in the freezer for up to 1 hour. Hey guys, I kept it in the freezer and I removed this one after 1 hour. So what I'm going to do, here is the milk chocolate, Cadbury's milk chocolate, and I'm going to melt this one and I'm going to keep it in the microwave for 1 minute. Hey guys, here my chocolate is melted and I kept it in the microwave. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to dip this Oreo biscuit popsicle into this chocolate thing. So can you see guys, you can remove this extra thing. So I'm going to keep I'm going to make all the popsicle into this. Hey guys, here I dipped all the popsicle in the chocolate mix, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to keep this one in the fridge for 1 hour. So yeah, so we have to wait for 1 hour guys, then my Oreo biscuit popsicle will be ready. Hey guys, I removed this Oreo biscuit popsicle from the fridge after 1 hour. So this is nicely done guys. So yeah, So we are going to have this one now, and this is a quick video of how to make Oreo biscuit popsicle at your home. See you soon in my another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching, guys. See you soon. Bye. And I'm going to try this one, guys. See, can you see? Yummy.